Keep the red ones separate. Got it. These greens go to the side. Machine is full. Pass the basket. On my way.
Pressure's holding. Keep the flow steady. Copy that. Hose is secure. Spray is covering the walls. Almost done. Looks clear. Powering down. All right, pre-production safety check initiated. Fuel supply and energy monitoring systems are stable. Moving to the roaster now. Control panel looks good. Final log entry complete. Approved. Keep the flow steady. Yes, supervisor. Check the density on that batch. Looks good, supervisor. Good. Monitor the next lot. Keep turning it evenly. The sun is strong. Got it. I'll check the hopper. Conveyor is steady. Loading fine.
Maillard reactions are the key to unlocking coffee's flavor. As heat transforms the beans, steam carries away aromatic compounds. This develops the rich, complex flavors we savor in every cup.
Medium roast, developing nicely. Taste is spot on, acidity balanced. Extending for full flavor.
And there we have it, a perfect Kenyan sunrise pour over. The journey begins on lush farms, where ripe cherries are sun-dried and prepared for export. The beans are then roasted to perfection. In the cafe, baristas craft the final brew, and the reward, a moment of pure enjoyment.